Okay, guys, today my sister's eye is like bothering very, very bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and give her the slime that I just made just for her. But there's one more surprise in it. There are some things she could decorate the slime with. So I'm gonna hide it back in there and let's go surprise her. Awen, are you up here? All right. Oh, are you in the bathroom? All right. Okay, guys, she was just in the bathroom, so let's see when she's ready. Until she's done to come and go in the room, and the surprise result's gonna be great, guys. Stay tuned for it. It's gonna be great. Okay, so I waited for like 5 unbearable minutes, so yeah. I cannot even explain the stuff I was doing. Okay, anyone? So since your eye's hurting, I made you the slime. I'm gonna go here, put it on your desk real quick. Here it is. Decorations. There's some rocks in it too. So
Yeah.
you are welcome. I'm gonna leave it here. I think she liked the slime, so yeah. Thank you so much for watching the video today. We will see you in the next one.